So here's the vintage Coach school bag. This bag, I believe, is likely from the late 80s, and the style number, just in case you're curious or want to look it up, more information online, it is 9695, I believe, and the color on this particular school bag, I believe, would be putty. So it's like a lighter kind of taupe tan color. It's really beautiful, and this bag was made in the original New York City factory. And this bag actually came with some extra goodies, so I was going to show you. It came with some paperwork that came in this little pouch here. Here's some of the paperwork. So came with just some general information about like the leather and how to care for it. Some just little sales paperwork or like little advertisements of bag style, some of the older styles that were made in the factory, the New York City factory, I mean. So it's pretty cool. And then just another advertisement. This is for belts, nothing on the back. And then here's some information on the factory itself. And then it also came with this registration card that, as you can see, was obviously never used. So that's kind of cool. And then it had the address here for New York, New York. So anyway, it's kind of fun to come upon the extra paperwork. So now I'll go ahead and show you what the bag looks like. So here's the front, and then you've got, it's a somewhat like thin bag, not super wide, but still can fit quite a bit. It's a really nice size. I would say it's somewhat similar in size to the standard Willis bag, but it almost maybe a little bit bigger, and it almost looks somewhat like, literally like a school bag, like the name, or almost like a small briefcase, which is really, it's cute. I think the style is really cute. Here's how it opens. Turn lock open, and then, or turn lock closure, and then it's got these nice deep pockets here, and then you can fit quite a bit in the back. I have it stuffed with paper to keep the shape, but it's also got, you know, the standard zip pocket, but this one goes all the way across. So this is a cute bag. And then also you can take off the clasp if you just want to carry it by hand, not across the body, which I really like having a top handle on my bags. I'm trying to get this to focus, but this clasp actually has the, where is it? Oh, here it is, the little anchor that you sometimes see on the older Coach hardware. If it'll focus. There, now you can probably see it better. Anyway, it's kind of fun to find the little anchor, but anyway, it doesn't look like this school bag was used very much. It doesn't have a ton of wear, maybe just a little bit, and a little bit of like dryness just because the leather is so old. I did condition it, but you know, that's gonna be there a little bit with these older bags anyway, even if you do condition them. But anyway, this is a really nice, cute bag. I'll go ahead and link it below in our Etsy shop if you did want to check it out further, but otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.